Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox. This is my unboxing for September. On top we always have a card. This one says, this month marks our 8 years of Birchbox. That's pretty cool. I think I've probably been a subscriber, if I had to guess, probably 4 years maybe 3. I always get a list of products on the back. It's only $10 a month and I really feel like it's worth it. I can't tell you the last time I've actually had to go buy body wash or like beauty products, so I do like these. So the first thing I'm pulling out, Mystify Restyling Spray. Let's see, shake and mist on next hair day. Feels pretty heavy. So I got that. That's a good brand, by the way. Clean Blonde Rose. Fell out. It's in here. Thank God it has a little spray thing. Oh, I hate when they don't. I'm going to spray this real quick and see what it smells like. Yeah, that's pretty pleasant. Not bad. I only get a couple of these a year. Oh, there we go. That's cute. Typically, I don't like the perfume ones, but that one's not bad. Then I also have Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. That's actually a shade I would probably use. I'm very pale, so a lot of times I use like nudes or like darker colors. I don't do reds or pinks because I just look like a clown when I wear that stuff. I can't do it. What is this? This looks fun. This is Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. That looks cool. Let's open it up and take a look. So thankfully it came with instructions in a little pamphlet here. It says you massage the cleanser onto dry skin over eyes, face, and neck. Then you rinse the cotton cloth under warm water, wring it out, and then you polish it off. That's interesting. Finish by splashing your face with cool water. Use daily, morning, and evening. So that's a pretty good size. That'll last me a while. And then that's what the cloth looks like. It's huge. It's kind of see-through. I don't know if you could tell that. It doesn't feel soft, so I can see how it would maybe exfoliate. I have very sensitive skin, so I'll have to let you guys know how that works on my face, because that might be questionable. But the last thing we got, this is also a good brand. Clean and Expert. That's a hard one to say. It says it's for acne and prone skin. I don't know why that's a tongue twister for me. Let's look at the little card here. I like this card because they give you the retail amounts for the full size, and then they also give you some information. So if the packaging's weird or you can't read it, it's on here. So that is a lightweight treatment, simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies. Ooh, I need that, that's for sure. I have dry skin and it's oily at the same time. It's the weirdest thing ever. It says it reduces redness and prevents future breakouts. Apply a thin, ooh, I found a typo. Apply a thin layer to a freshly cleansed skin. I get excited when I find typos because I feel like I'm terrible with grammar and shit. So if I find something, I think I'm proud of myself. I feel smart. So that's what I got in my box. My Ipsy hasn't came in yet, but that's another box I get and I like. So that should be here soon. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below for Birchbox. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.